everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video I'll be showing you how I'll be making my wheatgrass tea. Yes, you can get the grass itself if you know where to get. I think Amazon has it, or you can get it in a powder form. This is from Tea Kemas. Yeah, they have it, and this is purely organic. As you can see, it's organic. Yes, you can get it there. If you don't want to use the grass, like the proper grass itself. So this is just filled with green fiber. Yeah, it will keep you full for a longer time in the day. I'm not joking, I've tried it and it's amazing. This is also good for your smoothie. If you like adding this kind of goodies in your smoothie, it's amazing. You can also add it in your salad. It's just like superfood. It's called superfood, so it keeps you full for a longer time, especially if you want to lose weight. Go for all these kind of nutrients. I'm telling you, they will help you shed some weight quicker. And if also you just want to stay healthy, engage in all this healthy food, they are all good for your body. So today I'll be making my wheatgrass with lemon and hot water. Yes, this is how I start my day. This will take me till lunch. I might not have any other thing, you understand? Maybe if you're hungry along the line, you can just take one apple. But for me, this will keep me for a longer time before my lunch. Also want us to do a little bit of chit chat while I'm making my wheatgrass tea. Okay, so you have to be careful how much you take, because it keeps you fuller for a long time, I'm telling you. So this is what I'm going to add, just 1 teaspoon, and that is okay for me for today. So I'll add my hot water and leave it to start brewing. Look at that color, look at that green. It is amazing. It is amazing. So you can add honey if you want to. It's optional, but I don't add honey. I like it like plain, and I add my lemon to it. So another thing I do is, if I really want it, I want to use it as something that will carry me for a longer period of time, I can have maybe 1 crackers. Dry crackers, just have 1. You see, just press half of your lemon, just half, tiny bit, just to give you that yeah. So another thing I do is, sometimes I just cut a slice. It's another way you can enjoy it better. Just a little tiny slice, and just drop it in it. That is it. It's as simple as that. Before you know it, your green superfood is ready. You see, it's as simple as that. Look at it. So you leave it to brew, so that the lemon will go right inside the tea. So I will leave it there. Yes, guys, thank you for staying with me, and thank you for joining to see how I make my tea in the morning. Yeah, so I said we'll be having a little bit of chit chat as I make my breakfast. This is my breakfast. I'll be talking about self-love. Yeah, I was discussing with someone and we're just talking random stuff. I thought about it. I was like, self-love is not being selfish. No, you loving yourself is not like you're selfish. I always tell people, healthy living is not a one-way traffic. It's a full package. It's something that had to do with everything about you, everything about your life. Yes, so if you want to live a healthy life, it starts from you. Okay, the changes you make starts from you. The good life we'll talk about starts from you. Okay, it starts from you. You cannot give what you don't have. Yes, if I want to lose weight and I'm not doing anything about it, and I'm preaching to you watching me and I'm telling you, oh, healthy living is okay, it's good to be healthy, it's good to lose weight, it's good to stay in shape, and I'm not doing anything about my own shape, my own life. I'm not doing anything about it. That is fake. I will call it a fake life. Yeah, it is a fake life. Before you'll be able to pass anything good to someone else, you must first of all, see yourself doing that thing even better. Yes, because I believe one thing, it is what you have that you will give. Guys, for example, if I promise you that I will give you £1,000 and in my bank account I don't have £50, is it possible? Do you think I will give you that money? Maybe I'm just lying to you. That is what it is all about. The tea is still hot, so as you can see, I'm still turning, and just to try and cool it down before I take it. Yes, so you have to always give what you have. You can't tell someone live a good life when your own life is in a mess. So for me, taking care of yourself is not that you're selfish. Taking care of yourself does not mean you will not take care of others. But you have to first of all put yourself in that place where you'll be so comfortable to reach out. Okay? If you want to reach out to someone and the person you are reaching out to is better than you, come on. Is it possible? It can happen. So that is why I tell people, when it comes to healthy living, don't just focus it on one thing like people do. It's just all about weight. I want to lose weight. No. Sometimes there are people you will see, they have 200 kilos of fat in their body, but they are healthy because they are active. Tell them to run, they'll run 10 miles without getting tired. But you see somebody with 30 kg kind of weight and they are not healthy. They can't even do a fast walk. So what I'm trying to say is, it's not all about healthy living through food. It's not all about healthy living through your lifestyle. Maybe you don't exercise and all those stuff. No. What I'm trying to say here is taking care of yourself mentally, physically, spiritually. Is all about healthy living. Taking care of yourself, putting yourself in that place where you are comfortable. I'm not saying you have to be a millionaire to be comfortable. No. People get it wrong. You might not have 1p, but you're comfortable. You are in that place that you have peace. You are in that place that you will sleep properly at night. Okay, that is what I'm trying to say. So try and put yourself in that place where you are okay. When I mean okay, I hope you understand what I mean. Like, nothing is bothering you. I'm not saying we all have problems, but what nothing is bothering you is like you are able to pay your bills, you are able to put food on your table, you are able to buy nice clothes for your body, you are able to, put nice cream, nice perfume on your body. Yes, if you're in that place that these are, these are the physical side now I'm talking about. You have to, your appearance have to be, comfortable. When people are looking at you, they will be like, yeah, this person looks nice. You understand? But if you're looking haggard, you're looking tattered, your hair is not made, you understand? You look rough, and you're telling somebody, I'll give you £10,000. The person will be looking at you, is this person normal? So you have to take care of yourself first before you look out for someone else. Put yourself in that place that you are okay. If you think you're not okay, don't kill yourself for others. If you drop dead today, I bet you those people you want to kill yourself for, they will not die. Trust me, they will live. So self-love is not a sin. Self-love is not that you're selfish. No. You're loving yourself does not mean you are selfish. It's not. You are not selfish. You are just trying to look out for yourself. You are just trying to take yourself to that place of peace. You're just trying to, be in a comfortable place to be able to reach out. I cannot reach out to you if I don't have. If I cannot reach out to you in any way, if I'm not in that position. These things I'm talking is a full package, both physical, emotionally. I cannot tell you that I love you when I'm crying. Is it possible? Come on, guys. It's not possible. I cannot even pray for you when I know I have, problems, all around me that I need to pray about. I need to be in that place, that, now spiritually, that I'm in a place where I can reach out to God, and I'm getting my answers. I'm living a life that brings glory to God. I'm living a life, that brings me happiness. I have joy in my heart. I have peace all around me. I'm not saying there'll be no trouble. I'm not saying there'll be no worries. No, but even in the midst of all those things, you are calm. You are peaceful. You'll be able to reach out. You'll be able to pray for your friend, your family, your neighbors. You'll be able to reach out in prayer. Okay? Can I advise you if I have problems bothering me? If mentally I'm not stable, can I advise you? No. If I'm advising you out, I might be misleading you. Yes, I might be misleading you. So you have to put yourself in that place where, you are comfortable. This is you. Love yourself. Loving yourself is not a sin. It's not a sin. Do things for yourself, even if it's a cup of tea. Be selfish sometimes. Do it for yourself. I am making myself a cup of tea. Tell yourself that. I am making myself a cup of tea. It's not selfish. I am making myself dinner. When I mean dinner, like hotel type kind of dinner or restaurant type of dinner. Make it, set your table, put a glass of wine. Oh my God, this is self-love. It's not a sin. Sometimes, you don't have to go for spa to feel like one. Run your hot bath, put some sea salt, bathing soap, foam, a glass of wine, candle. Soak yourself there for 30 minutes, relax, put a good music, nice calming music. This is self-love. You don't have to go on holiday to do that. You don't have to go for like a 5-star hotel to get that experience. No, you can do it in your little corner. That is self-love. So guys, I just want to encourage you today to just love yourself. Show yourself some love. Nobody will love you except you. Nobody will care about you except you. Nobody will ever look out for you like you look out for yourself. Show yourself some love. Eat healthy, think right, love yourself, love your fellow human beings, like your friends, family. Show love, share love. Especially this is the season that we are in, the season where we show love. Put yourself in that. Buy yourself a Christmas present. Buy yourself a Christmas card. Address it to yourself. If it's your birthday, come on, buy yourself a birthday present. Address it to yourself and let them deliver it. It mustn't be the other way around. Show yourself. Love yourself, guys. Love. That is what, this topic is just being loved by yourself. That is it. So I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you for coming into my kitchen with me. Thank you for sitting and hearing me talk about self-love. Thank you for watching me make my tea. It's self-love. I'm making my own tea. So I love you all. Thank you for connecting, and I appreciate every one of you that has been on this journey with me. I love you all. Trust me, I love you, and I appreciate all your support to this channel. I appreciate you. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, maybe today is your first time coming across this channel, you are most welcome, and please consider subscribing, and don't forget to on the notification bell so that you'll be able to see more of our content. We do healthy living. This is what we do here. I'm not talking, we eat it. It's all about healthy living. So join the family, and you will not regret it. Thank you so much for joining. I love all of you. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Mm.